Disclaimer: this video is created exclusively for educational and entertainment purposes. The tools and methods shown here are not intended to promote or encourage activities that may violate the terms of service of Instagram or any other platform. Misuse of any tools or services mentioned may result in penalties, including account suspension and other legal actions. We strongly recommend that viewers respect the policies of all social media platforms and use any information presented in this video responsibly and within the law. This channel does not support or encourage the use of bots or automation for activities that may be considered abusive or harmful to others or businesses. Any action taken after watching this video is the sole responsibility of the viewer.